cheap motherfuckers. We got $1 for everybody out here would be good. I know your broke, cheap ass motherfucker ass ain't gonna give me no money. But you out here enjoying our music for free and all our hard work.
My name is Alcé. What do I do? I'm a purveyor of good music. I just play DJ around the world, produce music now. Yeah. What's my sound? I think I've said maybe explain this once or twice. Maybe after I got finished DJing one time in a club, and a friend of mine, was like, you know what, Kai? Your sound is just like, he picks up like a pound of dirt and just throws it on the ground. He's like, your sound is just like dirt. He's like, it's something that nourishes the people. He's like, you gotta keep it going. He's like, I can't explain what it is, I've always kind of kept that. Oh yeah, it was this dope Theo Paris track went boom 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 boom.